Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I am the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I am going to explain few things on IBM Curator training. In this IBM Curator training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of training solution for all. Hence, if you're individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project's requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda, what the trainer is going to cover in this video. What is IBM Curator? That is the introduction. IBM Curator course content. What are the levels of certification available for IBM Curator? Prerequisites. Maximus Trainer. What are the job opportunities available for IBM Curator? Maximus Introduction. Corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits. Conclusion. Last but not the least, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the training purpose. What is IBM Curator? IBM Curator is a SIEM tool, that is Security Information and Event Management tool. This tool is specifically designed for enterprises for the security purposes. This very SIEM tool can easily collect data from both organizations as well as all the connected devices. This curated tool helps security teams to detect and treat all the threats occurred across the devices. It combines all log source and network flow data. And most importantly, IBM Curator SIEM tool has been a leader in SIEM solutions, that is in security information and event management solutions, according to 2016 Magic Quadrant. This is the architecture of IBM Curator SIEM tool. Please have a look what are the parts of the SIEM tool. Moving on to the next, we have the course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course, the trainer has listed down the topics what he is planning to start today. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics for you. The first is the administration course. In administration course, the topics are architecture of curator, that is the event pipeline and flow pipeline, backup and recovery configuration, network hierarchy, system health and master console, system settings and asset profiler configuration, custom offense close reasons, creating custom, anomaly, and behavior-based rules in curated tool, users, user roles, and security profiles, log sources and integration of log sources with the SIEM tool, custom event and flow properties, remote networks and services. And the next comes the advanced topics of the IBM Curator session. And the topics are journey through Curator command line interface, understanding and using DSM editor, installing custom applications in Curator, IBM Curator appliance sizing, as well as incident forensics. So far, I have shown you is the main content, basically what the trainer has prepared for you for IBM Curator training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the levels of certifications available for IBM Curator? And the levels of certifications, first being the basic level of certification, which is generally for administrators who usually exhibits basic support and technical knowledge. Let's have a look in Google. What are the levels of certifications available? And the second one is the intermediate level of certification, which generally targets all the analysts that have knowledge and technical skills in CompTIA cybersecurity and IBM Security Curator SIE. This certification verifies that successful candidates who has already completed the intermediate level of certification have the knowledge and skills required to configure and use threat detection tools, perform data analysis, and interpret the results to identify vulnerabilities, threats, and risks to an organization. And then comes the IBM Security Curator SIEM Administrator Certification, which verifies the one can easily demonstrate the technical knowledge to support IBM Security Curator SIEM v7.3.2, which usually includes the implementation and management of an IBM Security Curator SIEM v7.3.2 solution. Let's go back to our main slide. We have this certification also covers objectives of IBM Security Curator SIEM v7.2.8 Fundamental Administration Exam, whose exam code is C2150-624. I repeat, C2150-624. These are the levels of certifications available for IBM Curator. Here is the prerequisites, that is, who all are eligible to take part in IBM Curator learning. Actually, for IBM Curator learning, anyone can join the training session and can learn this Curator tool. But if you have a basic knowledge of query language and the Linux fundamentals, that very candidate can easily grasp the training session. And one more thing, if you have a knowledge of security technology, such as I can say firewalls, SSL, etc., those knowledge will be the preferred one to learn IBM Curate. Next we have why Maximus IBM Curator training. Yes, if you have to talk about our Maximus IBM Curator trainer, our trainers are real-time subject matter expert from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience. They will tell you real-time industry IBM Curator implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with the candidates about the case studies of IBM Curator tool. The trainers will not only cover these topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will also definitely make a project ready so that the candidates can easily start working on project from day one after the completion of the curator session. They will eventually guide you for IBM Curator certification exam also. What are the job opportunities available for IBM Curator? If you are looking for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I've already opened it for you guys. I can see currently there are 2606, I repeat, 2606 job opportunities across India. Among this, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 1008 job opportunities for IBM Curator. And then I can see Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and many other things. Sorry, many other locations are also available. Let me see the package offering. I can see 1,373 job openings who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 840 openings who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. And I can even see there are 6 openings who all are ready to pay more than 100 lakhs. Let's see who all are the companies hiring for IBM Curator in India. Accenture being in the top, 119 job openings. IBM India, Bosch India Software, and many other companies are also hiring for IBM Curator across India. And if you are looking for job opportunities across USA, then DICE is the best platform available. Let's have a look at DICE. In DICE, currently I get to see 1,854 job openings in DICE for IBM Curator Specialist. And the designations are SIEM Administrator, Managed Consultant, Managed Security, System Analyst, Curator Admin or Security Analyst, Cyber Security Analyst. These are the designations, different kind of designations available for IBM Curator. And the top locations across USA are Atlanta, Austin, New York, Phoenix, Reston. These are the top locations available for IBM Curator across US. And if anyone is looking for a job across the worldwide, then the LinkedIn is the best platform to look for job across the world. And in LinkedIn, there are 1,949 job openings. I repeat, 1,949 job openings for IBM Curator. Let's see across the globe who all are the companies hiring for IBM Curator. In LinkedIn, I got to see IBM being in the top, then followed by Accenture, VMware, Clearance Jobs, Optiv. These are the top companies hiring for IBM Curator across the globe. And what are the top locations available? Currently, United States being in the top for IBM Curator. Then comes our India, France, Germany, Brazil. And what kind of industries are hiring for IBM Curator? First being the information technology and services, financial services, telecommunications, staffing and recruiting, management consulting. These are the top industries who all are hiring for IBM Curator. Let's go back to our main slide. We have already came across all these top countries in Naukri, Dice, as well as in LinkedIn. And these are the top companies we got to see from all these three job portals. Organizations of any size, be it a startup, small, medium, or a large company that is MNCs, they prefer to use this security tool, IBM Curator, for their security purposes. What are the career benefits once you are a certified professional? I mean, once you pass the certification exam of IBM Curator. Here are few designations, whatever the trainer has listed down from LinkedIn. We have already seen many designations over all the job portals. Few are information security, security analyst, which we have already seen in the DICE portal, cyber security consultant, computer and network security. There are many other job designations available for IBM Curator. Why one should choose Maximalus? Maximalus, this is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If we have to talk about our company Maximalus, we are one of the top technology training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maximalus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, Singapore, or say any other country. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the world. These are the top clients for whom we have already provided IBM Curator training. These are the top clients for whom we have already provided the IBM Curator training. What are the corporate training benefits of IBM Curator from Maxwell's? Customization of course content as per the company's project requirement. We do even provide implementation and configuration level of training. Maxwell's corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. You have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will provide course completion certificate to all the participants. What are the individual training benefits from Maxwell's? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry-specific subject matter experts trainers for individual projects. Flexibility to select trainer and have live video session with trainer before IBM Curator training actually starts. Each candidate will easily get to know the IBM Curator certification training exam process. On concluding the session, I can say that this SIEM tool helps any size of the company to keep their enterprise's data safe and secure throughout the network. And for Max Bonus, I can say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirements for companies and for individuals. This IBM Curator training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individual training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Concluding the session, I can say that IBM Curator has great market job opportunities throughout the globe. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level of training, course completion certificate, IBM Curator certification tips and guidance and learning at your own pace. All these options makes us excellent and first choice for learning IBM Curator training course. For any more information or if you want to enroll with us for IBM Curator training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers. Kindly note all the contact numbers. And one can even drop a mail in this mail ID. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. You can even reach us, you can even drop a message in our live chat box and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and will solve all your queries. These are the numbers which are available. So for an excellent career in IBM Curator, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the IBM Curator training session with Max Coach. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.